Hey guys, what's up? I wanted to share something with you. It's a quick, super easy tip that was a game changer for me when I learned about this and started doing this. So hopefully it will be the same for you and we'll be able to take your eBay store, or if you sell on Poshmark, Mercari, it should be applicable as well. Hopefully it'll be able to help you take your store to the next level. So what I do is on the eBay app, I do market research. This is super simple to do and it can make a huge difference. So let's dive right in and let me show you how to do this. Okay, so I open up the mobile eBay app. I can choose whatever category I want to do market research in. For today, I want to learn about women's jeans. So I type that in and then I go to filter. Under condition, I'm going to mark pre-owned because that's what I primarily find out thrifting. Price, you can put whatever price you want. I'm going to do $75 for today. And then you want to make sure you scroll down and mark sold, because we only want to see items that have actually sold for that amount. And then you'll see the results that you have. You start scrolling slowly, paying attention to brands that you're seeing over and over, and then also paying attention to what styles seem to be popular or selling well. So as I'm scrolling, I'm taking note. I'm seeing R13, Louis Vuitton, Spanx. I've sold those before and they've done really well for me. There's R13 again. Mother is a brand that I am seeing. There's Free People again. There's Mother again. Free People. And I'm also seeing a lot of vintage 90s jeans. So I'm going to keep my eye out for vintage jeans. I know that they are doing really well right now. They're really trendy. Nearly low ton I've seen a few times in these results. There's some more vintage 90s jeans. Frame I've seen a couple of times. There's Mother again. Nearly low ton. So a few of these brands I haven't heard of, so I'm going to make sure take note of them. Okay, so as you can see, there are so many benefits to doing this market research. It helps me a ton when I am out thrifting. I don't have to take quite as much time to stop and look everything up on my phone. I still totally do that. I'm still constantly learning, but it cuts down on that time. And then it also helps me recognize brands that I probably would have passed right by previously. So it's a great practice or a great habit to get into. It only takes a few minutes a day. If hop on, pick one category that you want to increase your knowledge in and just research it for a few minutes. I like to start a notes section on my phone and just take notes of the prevalent brands that I'm seeing. Another great way to use this tool is to research keywords. So for example, with the jeans, we saw a lot of vintage jeans for selling really, really well. So if you have a pair of jeans, and they have to be vintage, of course, you can't put vintage in the listing title if they're not vintage, right? But if they are vintage, make sure you put vintage in the title, because most likely they will sell a lot faster and for more money just by including one simple keyword, which is vintage. So it's a great simple thing that you can do to take your store to the next level and increase your knowledge. And as we all know, knowledge is definitely power, especially in this business. So hopefully this will help you out a little bit and help you increase your sales and find better inventory that will sell quicker and for more money. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. If you want to see something else on this channel, please let me know what kind of things would be helpful for you in your reselling business. And happy thrifting.